So this board shows you what's brewing for today. Walking along Michigan Avenue, you will see this building that used to be the Crate and Barrel. Now it's home to the Starbucks Roastery, the biggest Starbucks in the world. But it is not just a coffee shop. The Starbucks Chicago Roastery is an experience. There's a lot to see and experience in this one-of-a-kind space. At the coffee bar, the baristas provide introduction to select Starbucks Reserve and pastries. On this spot, you can enjoy your coffee a few feet away from where it's freshly roasted. There is also the scooping bar, specially packaged reserve coffee from different parts of the world are available here to enjoy. The centerpiece is the cask. It's a 5-story cask. It's a 56-foot cask. It's indeed a sculptural work of art. The skin of the cask, you will see, it's perforated and slit to reveal views of freshly roasted coffee moving through the tubes in all directions. Ride the spiral escalator as it wraps around the cask, all the way from the ground floor to the top. It's indeed the art of science of roasting coffee. You will see a high-tech conveyor specifically designed to transport freshly baked goods and bread in style from the second floor bakery. There's also an Italian bakery, Rocco Princi. The experience, the artwork in this 35,000 square feet space, it's really a celebration of coffee and craft. While enjoying your coffee, you get an awesome view of the Mag Mile from different floors. Grab a coffee-inspired cocktails at Ariviano Cocktail Bar. Outside, you will also see these actual barrels, space dedicated to centuries-old craft of barrel aging. How many pounds of green coffee beans fit into a barrel? Your guess is as good as mine. By the way, the Starbucks Roastery also supports the Farmer Support Center in key coffee-producing countries around the world. You don't only enjoy coffee and experience, you also help the farming economy in other parts of the world.